Hello and welcome everybody, and in today's episode we have part 2, restoration of bicycle Raleigh Cameo. As you see at the moment, the bicycle is partially stripped down for the parts. I finished, restored and assembled again rear wheel. It's pretty nice condition compared to the front one. So there is slightly progress. Some of the parts from this bike was cleaned and restored, and as you can see here, we do have chain guard, which one was painted, chain, also kickstand, crankset and saddle. I repainted the chain guard because it was not in the best condition, so at the moment looks fresh and nice. I'm gonna be remove them masking tape, and gonna be lovely. Yeah, so the next step we're gonna be working on the front wheel because it's pretty filthy. And frame, handlebar, stem, seat post and crankset. So there is slightly progress. It's gonna be slowly, but at the moment we all have plenty of time. So thank you very much and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.